Hi, Monica. My name is Christian Renna. I'm with Ringen SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so they're not going to be you're not going to be competing with multiple agents on the same platform that you're paying boatloads of money for. So I do like to see a couple things. So your Facebook page is really good. I'm glad to see that you have after your name Realtor. Very important. That's awesome that you have that. And then you do have this pop-up box here for the messages, which is great. So obviously you understand the importance of being online, and that's good. So really happy to see that. So obviously I'm not sure how much money this is bringing you, how many leads you're getting through this Facebook page here. Hopefully a lot, but if not, there are some things you can tweak up. But today we're going to talk about content citations and backlinks, specifically as regards to Google My Business page and your website. So I clicked on the link from your Facebook page, and I did pull up this website. So you do have a website here, but it looks like it may not be your own. It looks like it's kind of just a link to your brokerage. So again, I'm not sure how many people are clicking on this brokerage's website here and then actually finding you and calling you from it. So you can actually get your own website and have a website work for you and not rely on the brokerages. Again, I don't know, maybe you're a broker, maybe you want to grow, or I'm not sure how far you want to grow, but bottom line is this. When you do your own website, because I don't think you're going to be able to do much with the company website here, but when you build a website, you're actually going to want to make sure to have a significant amount of content. But content isn't just the words on your website. So Google loves content. Content is king. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words, it's also the photos, especially in a real estate website. How the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So I'm not sure if you're familiar, but a lot of times when we upload photos, the computer creates a name for the photo that you didn't specify. So a lot of times it just consists of random numbers and letters. And if search engines are reading your photos as random numbers and letters, it's going to throw you to the bottom of the list, okay? So there's hundreds of thousands and millions of different word variations, and you don't want Google to be reading random ones from your pictures. You want all your photos to be saved with good content that's going to bring value. Very important, especially on a real estate website. So again, I do see you do have a website here, but I don't think this is bringing you many leads. And I mean, if we go to the Meet the Agents, I don't know, are you the first one, or how many are there here to go through before we find you? You know what I mean? So they're probably not going to go to this website randomly and find you. And actually, it doesn't even look like you're on this page. So either way, that's okay. Next is citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. So as you can see, I typed in Orange County, Texas Realtors. We have American Real Estate, we have Remax One, we have Countryland Properties. So we don't have full spectrum here. But really what I want to point out is that these Google My Business pages, okay, so you actually don't have to be a broker for your Google to get a Google My Business page. So, and it doesn't actually look like full spectrum is anywhere on this first page. So again, how much value is that website bringing you? But so what's going on here? Okay, so now this is what I want to point out. Jerry Hughes Realty. We have Paula Ragsdale. We have Dal Sasso. We have Heather Oldbury. We have Amanda Green, Jessica Green. So Crystal Myers. All these people have Google My Business pages that they're getting leads from. So I would suggest getting one. If you have one, I didn't see it. So if I couldn't see it, then there's a good chance the clients couldn't see it, potential clients. But what I want to point out is that, as you can see, these individual realtors do have Google My Business pages. This is what one will look like. So first of all, obviously, I highly suggest getting a Google My Business page. You have your address, your hours, your health and safety, your phone, your website. So first of all, reviews. Obviously, everybody knows the importance of reviews. We recommend 25. So Paula has only 2. So obviously she's better than the person with 0, but we recommend 25 reviews minimum. And then again, these photos. So a lot of people don't know, but how your photos are saved matters. So she actually has many more than 10. So we recommend 10 minimum. So obviously Paula's doing a pretty good job on that as far as the photos go. You're going to want to do the same. We recommend 10 minimum. And then again, just make sure they're all saved the right way, because how they're saved is read by search engines. Very important. But that, along 10 photos, 25 reviews, get yourself some citations, fill out your Google My Business, complete the profile, and you will be well on your way to coming up in the top position for your area. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your URL can be found on the internet. And so anywhere that fsrealtytexas.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so as you can see, you guys actually have 3,500 backlinks almost from 42 referring domains, but yet your domain rating is only an 8 out of 100. So what that goes to show you is that not all backlinks are created equal, and you want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from sites that are not spammy and sites that are relevant to the trade. So with 3,500 backlinks, you're going to want to remove some of those. And again, I don't know how much you can actually do because you don't own the brokerage. Or if you do, then I would suggest removing a significant amount of these. And remember that they're not all created equal. So you want to make sure you get good backlinks. Do your homework and get that domain rating up. And this is the reason why you guys aren't on the first page in your area. So that's it. But other than that, do your homework on backlinks, get yourself a Google My Business page, and you'll be well on your way. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well, and thank you very much for watching.